Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. Today, let's talk about two kinds of content management system: database-driven CMS and flat-file CMS. A database-driven CMS utilizes a relational database to store data in a structured way using tables on a web server. It needs to query a database to retrieve content. For example, Drupal, Joomla, Wordpress, etc. A flat-file CMS does not need a database. It saves data to text files, which is also known as flat files. It is organized in a simple file and folder structure. So, a flat-file CMS is a system where the content is managed and readily accessible without the need to query a database to retrieve data. For example, Get Simple CMS, Pickle, Bludit, etc. Now I will show you how to install Wordpress and Bludit on your local system using AMPPS. AMPPS is a free software package including everything you need for website development, such as Apache, MySQL, MongoDB, PHP, Perl, Python, and Softaculous Auto Installer. Let's go to the amps.com webpage. Scroll down and press the blue Download AMPPS button. You can download the appropriate version of the setup for your operating system. For me, I chose this one. It takes some time to download. The downloading is finished. Click the arrow to find the file. Okay. To install, double-click the download file. Double-click and then click Yes. And then follow the AMPPS setup wizard. Next. Accept the agreement. Next. Next. Accept the default. Next. 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 Install. Click the box. Install. And then close. Launch AMPPS. Finish. Apache is running. MySQL is also running. And find the file. It is installed in C, Program Files, AMPPS. Scroll down to find the application. Right-click. Click Pin to Taskbar. And then the icon is here. Okay? Okay. In the next video, I'll show you how to install Wordpress and Bludit. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. We, Mason and I, post video every week. If you like web development, please subscribe to our channel. See you soon!